When it comes to creating a successful e-commerce store, customization can make or break your business. So, which platform offers better customization, Oberlo or BigCommerce? Let's dive into the details and break it down. Now, both platforms have their strengths, but depending on your needs, one could easily stand out as the better choice for your online store. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for customizing your store and, more importantly, which one I recommend. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Oberlo is a dropshipping platform, so its main focus is to streamline product sourcing. It integrates directly with Shopify, which makes it simple to use, especially if you're already familiar with Shopify's interface. However, its customization options are limited because it's designed for simplicity, not for creating an entirely unique website. If you want a highly customizable store, Oberlo might feel a bit restrictive. Next thing, design flexibility. BigCommerce is a fully fledged e-commerce platform, and one thing it has over Oberlo is design options. With BigCommerce, you get a range of themes, both free and paid, and the ability to tweak them more thoroughly. You can adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and even customize the code. This gives you a lot more creative control over the look and feel of your store, which is something that Oberlo just can't match at the same level. But while BigCommerce is better in terms of design flexibility, it's worth noting that you might need some technical knowledge or a developer to really unlock its full potential. So it could be a bit overwhelming for beginners. The third thing to consider is product management. Oberlo makes adding and managing products easy, especially if you're dropshipping. You can quickly import products from AliExpress, and the customization options come down to choosing which items to sell and adjusting their details. But BigCommerce takes the lead here with a more robust system for inventory, product variations, and options. You can manage a wider range of products, set up complex product options, and even offer customizable product designs. If you're looking to scale and grow a unique product catalog, BigCommerce offers much more depth. Next up, third-party integrations. Both Oberlo and BigCommerce allow for integrations with a variety of tools and services, but BigCommerce pulls ahead in terms of its extensive marketplace. It integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, payment processors, and marketing tools, giving you more options to tailor your e-commerce store to your specific needs. Oberlo, being tied to Shopify, also offers integrations, but you're limited to Shopify's app ecosystem. So if you want more flexibility to expand with various tools, BigCommerce has the edge. Then there's pricing. While BigCommerce offers a lot more customization, it comes with a higher price tag. You're paying for more advanced features, but if you're just starting out or if customization isn't a top priority, Oberlo might be the better option due to its integration with Shopify's more affordable plans. But as your business grows, you might find BigCommerce features more suited to your needs, even though it requires a bigger investment upfront. Lastly, long-term scalability. If you're planning on growing your store into something big, BigCommerce is definitely the more scalable option. The platform is built for growth, offering enterprise-level features, advanced SEO tools, and an easy upgrade path as your business expands. Oberlo, while perfect for getting started, doesn't provide the same level of flexibility when it comes to scaling your store long-term. Now, both Oberlo and BigCommerce are solid platforms, but after testing both of them, if your main goal is to create a highly customizable, scalable e-commerce store, then I'd recommend going with BigCommerce. It's the better choice for customization and long-term growth, although it might be a little overwhelming for beginners. However, before you make your final decision, I have something special for you. The platforms we discussed today are good, but if you want a better alternative that offers even more customization with less complexity, then check out the first link in the description. With our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and some special benefits that are only available to our viewers. So make sure to take advantage of that free trial and start building your e-commerce store with a platform that truly fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.